Hello everyone, welcome to IKEA stores. Today I'm gonna show you the ground floor, the market hall of IKEA stores. Let's see. First of all, we have these non-stick pans for rupees 699. That means 700 rupees for extra clarity. Mom. We have some steel products right here. The rates are on the products itself, as you can see. It is really easy to shop on the IKEA store. Look at this, guys. They've decorated their store so beautifully. Okay, let's come back to products. This is a heat protector from IKEA. It's a silicone rubber heat protector. It's rupees 160 or 159. This is a pot. They've named it Gulkremla. This is rupees 299, also 300. This is the bigger version of the same pot right here, which is 399. There are so many steel products to cover right here. Let's go. So guys, I found these really cool spoons at the IKEA stores. They are really durable and they're easy to cook with. They are 500 rupees 500. So guys, I really like how the IKEA stores decorated their store. They have so I found these oil containers also, which are really durable and I really like them. They are so much like showpieces. So I wanna buy it, but let's see. Guys, I found some ceiling clips also. They are 99 rupees. Here's the replica. So this is how we use them. I think they are really useful. To repeat, they are 99 rupees, 100 rupees. So this is another dry fruit jar with a lid, which is a little complicated. So this is how it opens, and then to seal it, it's a little hard. It's like this. Just close it. And this is rupees 160. I think it's really nice and durable, and this is really good for storage of dry fruits. So this is a glass bowl which you can put in the oven, and it is rupees 99. It's a round, as you can see right here. It looks really durable and the glass is really toughened, so it's usable for ovens. So guys, I found this really cute doggo box. I think it's really cute to get for lunch when school reopens. So I definitely take this box for lunch, and it costs rupees 350. I think this is really cute, so I showed it to you guys. So guys, this is another offer item, which is 3-pack 99. These are tiny little boxes for fruits if you are traveling somewhere. If you are traveling and you need some fruits, this is airtight. You can put some apples or biscuits in it. So yeah, I think it's really useful. It appears in the color of orange, but it's in the color of red, as you can see it now. This is how it is, guys. Take a look. So guys, see how beautiful these are. I really like them. They are really beautiful, and the real objects are these. I think these colors are really pretty. Because of the camera, they are looking in a different color, but this is in a nice green color, light green color. Pastel. Nice green pastel color. We have so many colors in these items. So these plates cost $199, and these bowls cost $149 for any color. These bowls cost $129. Guys, I think you should really visit the IKEA stores in Hyderabad. So guys, I found this really cute bottle which is rupees 237. It's really cute for school if it's reopening anytime soon. Hey guys, this is a beautiful flask which is this tall. It's really heavy. As you can see, the lid opens and the storage is this much. The price is rupees 300. So heavy, guys. This is really nice on your dining table. If you like to paint or something, it will look really nice. It looks really nice when it is plain too. So yeah. So guys, I found this off-white coffee mug which is a little tinty blue for the camera, but it looks off-white. The inside is this. It's a coffee mug. I really like it. It's really good for coffee drinkers. So guys, I found another oil container. It's a little compact. So it opens like this and then close like this. So the price is 170 rupees or 169 rupees as it is shown here. So moving on. Oh sorry guys, I forgot to tell you the price of this. The price of this is 200 rupees 200 or 199. I found these really cute chocolate molds which are shaped in different shapes and colors. There's fish, there's star, there's flower, and these are rupees 99. Moving on. So guys, I found this tray with beautiful birds, really cute birds, which is in a square shaped. It's almost as big as my arm. So yeah. So thank you guys. Its price. Sorry guys, I couldn't find the last one's price. I'm gonna inform you later. Now I found this really cute tissue holder which is 279 rupees or 280 rupees. Thank you for watching this video guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.